Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my new video. Guys, today we will start the discussion again on SAP S/4HANA sales questionnaires for SAP Cloud and on-premise version. Next question is, select the controls of the schedule line category. There are many and different controls which lies at the schedule line category level. First is the transfer of requirement, movement type, number range, account assignment group of customer. Remember, number range lies at the sales document type level. This control is there at the header level, guys. Okay, header level. And sales, and this is a schedule line category. At the schedule line category, we are having multiple controls. Out of that multiple controls, one control is the transfer of requirement. This is a checkbox, and this is a movement type which we assign at the schedule line category level. Next question is, what is the purpose of access sequence? Guys, access sequence work like a search strategy. It works like a search strategy to find a valid condition record. And here we are getting one option here. It works like a search strategy to find a valid condition record. It determines the pricing. No, it support to determine a valid condition record. Okay. It stores the value of the condition type. No, it stores the different condition table in a sequence from most specific to most general manner. It determines the partner function. No. So first option is the correct one. Next is where delivery relevance of product can be controlled. We can control this at the schedule line category level. Remember, guys, at the schedule line category level. Which information can be derived from the sold to party customer master in the sales order. From the sold to party, we can derive the shipping condition. Here we are having the shipping condition information that can be derived from the sold to party, guys. Usually, the shipping condition gets derivated from the ship to party, but this is the most relevant option here. Select the correct options of the pricing procedure determination. Remember, we determine the pricing procedure with a combination of sales area, customer pricing procedure, and document pricing procedure. Sales organization is the component of the sales area. This is one correct option. Document pricing procedure we store at the sales document type level. This is another correct option. And customer pricing procedure we store in the customer master, sold to party. So these three are the correct answers. Remember one thing, always we will not get the direct answers here. Sometimes answers are related in one way or other way with the options. Okay. The way we are not having here the option of the customer pricing procedure and document pricing procedure. In place of that, we are having the option here, the sales document type and sold to party. Now we should be competent enough, we should be well versed enough to know whether we store the document pricing procedure at the sales document type level or not. We should be having that info readily available in our mind, right? Similarly, at the sold for the sold to party, we should be knowing, we should be having that info readily available that okay, we store the customer pricing procedure in the customer master. Yeah. Next question. What is the way to restrict a material for a customer order? Remember, listing and exclusion, guys. Mostly the pharma company use the listing and exclusion functionality because all the pharma company, they do not sell all the medicines or all their products to all the customers because medicines most of the time are prescription based, right? Based on the prescription only, doctor's prescription, medical store usually supply the medicine. They are prescription based. Similarly, in SAP, we are having the material listing and exclusion functionality. We are enabling the system in such a way that all the products will not be available for this for every customer. Whatever we have listed for that customer, those products will be available, and user can create the sales order only for those products, not for all the products which are excluded. User can't create the sales order, guys. Next question is, at the time of the delivery creation, which are the possible checks system can perform at the item level? Guys, at the time of delivery creation, which all the possible checks system can perform at the item level? Remember, zero quantity system can check whether the delivery is getting created with zero quantity or with some quantity. First check. Second is minimum quantity. Minimum quantity. Whatever is the minimum quantity has been defined, system check can check whether that parameter is getting fulfilled or not over delivery. In case in the sales order, we are having line item number 10 with 5 quantity and delivery is getting created for 6 quantity. System will immediately stop that. Delivery quantity cannot be more than the order quantity. Okay. So these three are the correct options, guys. Next is select the possible assignment for the business area. Remember, sales organization, distribution channel, and division, it is one possible combination which can be linked with the business area, or business area can be assigned to the sales or distribution channel and division, plus it can be assigned to the plant and division as well. Okay, remember, so these are the two possible options. Next question. Here one number is missed, guys. I think I'll check on that. Select the correct component of the schedule line category. Guys, remember the discussion, remember the determination. We determine the schedule line category from the item category plus MRP type combination. And out of these options, the second option is stating that we can determine the item category. We can determine the schedule line category from the item category and MRP type. See, most of the time we should be knowing the determination. We should be knowing the correct parameters and component which is helping in the determination of a particular object. So those determinations, parameters we should be remembering, guys. Guys, this is the last question for today's for this set. I'll prepare a new set of the questionnaire and I'll see you in my next video, guys. If you have liked this video and it is useful for you, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. I will see you in my next video.